Hi everyone, what's up? Long time no see? Ngayon ang pag-aaralan natin ay ang chart of accounts. Pero bago tayo magsimula, dito muna tayo sa introduction. Account, category, sub-account, and account number. Ang account ang nagsasabi kung saan ba belong yung sub-account. Pwedeng under siya ng balance sheet or statement of financial position kung saan natin nakikita ang financial standing ng company, or income statement or statement of comprehensive income kung saan naman natin nakikita yung kinita or kita ng isang company. Ang category naman ay ang nagsasabi kung ito ba ay isang asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense. Ang sub-account naman ay yung mismong account na ginagamit for recording of journal entries. Ang account number ay basically yung related na number ng sub-account na ginagawa natin ng journal entry. Halimbawa, accounts receivable. Ang accounts receivable ay tama, mga pinautang natin sa ating mga kaibigan, charot, mga customers. Ang account number nito kunwari ay 1002, which is under asset category na under sa balance sheet account. Dagdag kaalaman. Madalas ang account number, hindi lang siya inimbento lang randomly. Na kunwari kung gusto ko lang 777 or 9999, actually pwede naman sa trip ng company pero madalas kasi may meaning din siya. For example, ang first digit is pertaining sa balance sheet account, which is 1 for asset, 2 for liability, and 3 for equity. Yung last digit naman is kung anong subcategory siya, like 1 is cash, 2 is accounts receivable, 3 is inventory, and so on. Inisip nyo siguro, bakit kailangan may 00 pa sa gitna? Siyempre, kapag kunwari umabot ng 100 yung sub-accounts, para at least pwede nating isingit like 1100, ayan. Pwede rin namang 001-002 instead of 1002, depende sa gusto ng company. Pero bakit nga ba natin kailangan ng chart of accounts? Basically, to organize financial records and for accuracy of reporting. What if isa kang lending institution at marami kang pinapautangan? Gusto mo very specific yung recording for all your large customers or main customers. Instead na ipasok mo lahat kay accounts receivable na isang account, pwede mong gawing AR customer number 1, AR customer number 2, AR customer number 3, ganun. Isa pa, ayaw naman nating pasok lang tayo ng pasok ng journal entries without setting up first yung important accounts depending sa nature ng company. Another thing to note is, dapat ito regularly nare-review ni business kasi what if yung small business mo lumaki, dumadami din yung mga accounts na need to consider or may mga accounts din na nagiging irrelevant na. For this video, ang ifo-focus natin ay ang mga under ng revenue category. To review, ang revenue ay nasa credit side or credit ang normal balance ng account. Which means, kapag kinikredit, nagdadagdag tayo, kapag dinidebit naman natin, nababawasan. First, sales account. Revenue generated from main business operations or operating activities. Meron tayong tinatawag na operating income and non-operating income. Operating income is obviously from operating activities or mga aktibidad na talagang ginagawa ng company or main reason na sila ay kumikita. While ang non-operating income are one-time events na pwedeng makaapekto sa revenue or expenses, pero hindi talagang madalas ginagawa ng isang company. Halimbawa, isa kang company ng mga damit. Taga-benta ng t-shirt ang mainline ng company. Ang sales mo ay ang mga pinagbebentahan ng t-shirt. Yun yung operating income. Tapos, meron kang dalawang small space sa iyong business headquarter na hindi mo ginagamit. Then, natripan mong iparenta sa kaibigan mo kasi sayang din naman for extra income. Ito yung non-operating income. Isa pang halimbawa, kunwari meron kang nasirang machine sa paggawa ng t-shirt, instead na itapon mo, inisip mong ibenta ito sa friend mo na si Marites. Yung pinagbentahan mo doon is non-operating income dahil hindi ka naman everyday nagbibenta ng sirang machine or di naman talaga yun ang main line ng business mo. Next account, rental income, which are earnings from use or occupation of property. Pinakasikat na halimbawa ay si SM. Para sure, ginugol ko pa yan. Kung makikita nyo dito, 72% of income nila ay galing sa rental. Sa tingin nyo, paano ba kumikita sa SM? Through rental ng mga business na pinupuntahan nyo sa SM. And of course, meron din naman silang department store, cinema, and others. Ito yung mga ilan lang sa mga operating income nila. Pero again, sa example natin kanina, pwedeng operating or non-operating income ang rental, depende kung ano ang nature ng company. Next, interest income. Basic. Number one source of interest income ay from bank deposits. Another is interest income na pwedeng ma-earn sa pagpapautang natin. Next, dividend income. These are income earned on investments in local or foreign companies. Example nito, nag-invest si Macdo kay Jollibee. Then, naging profitable si Jollibee for the last quarter or year. Madalas yan, nagde-declare sila ng dividends sa mga shareholders sila. Itong dividends is way ni company to share their profit to their investors. Pa-thank you, ganun. And ito rin is nagpapakita kunwari ng strength or financial standing ng company which in return may attract more investors. O, di ba? Ito nga pala example message kung may hawak kayong stocks ngayon, kapag nag-declare si company ng dividends, ito yung makikita. Next, subscription revenue. Revenue ni Netflix, YouTube Premium, Spotify, etc. kung may mga nag-subscribe na customers. Advertising revenue. Kung titingnan nyo tong picture na to, anong ads to? Tama, KFC. Char, mang inasal ni Coco Martin. Sa tingin nyo, paano kumikita sina GMA, ABS-CBN noon, TV5, or mga radio stations? Karamihan sa earnings sila from companies na nagpapa-advertise sa kanila. Kaya sa isang oras ng show ng Batang Quiapo, 50 minutes doon advertisements para panoorin nyo. Nabudol kayo, no? Charot. Next, commission income. Basic. Revenue from selling or facilitating sales or transactions. Kunwari lang, nakipag-partner si Apple na magbenta ng Samsung, then nakabenta si Apple ng Samsung. Meron siyang commission or gain from that syempre. Sa panahon ngayon, wala nang libre. Royalty income. Ito yung ina-earn for right to use intellectual property. For example, sa mga songs. As a general rule, the music creator owns copyright over the work but there are exceptions. For example, yung kanta ni Moira na, Pasensya na. Kung hindi siya yung songwriter, then kinanta niya, of course, with permission from the songwriter, dapat may bayaran siyang royalty doon sa sumulat ng kanta. Next, professional income. Yaman din lamang ng mga accountants tayo, sina SGV and Deloitte and all other big and small accounting firms, kumikita sila from professional accounting services provided to different clients. Miscellaneous income. Kunwari, sa receivable mo na 1,000, may nagbayad ng 1,001, tapos sabi niya sa'yo, tip na daw yung piso. Pwede mong i-record yung 1 peso as miscellaneous income, or dito rin puwapasok yung mga other income na hindi may categorize ng company. Maraming cases dito and depende kung ano yung mga pwede nyong ipasok, basta hindi labag sa accounting standards, syempre. Question. Lahat ba ng revenue accounts are additional revenue or credit lagi? Oo. Mali. Meron tayong tinatawag na contra revenue accounts. Dito, yung normal balance sa mga contra revenue accounts ay debit and nagiging kabawasan sa revenue. Example dito ay ang sales return and allowances and sales discounts. Sales return is from the name itself, mga binalik ng customers dahil kunwari may sira or nasira or may defective. Allowances, ito kunwari is dahil perishable yung goods or possible masira from delivery or shipment. Naglalagay din or dahil conservative ang approach ni company, nag-allocate sila like 3% of sales for this. Yung discounts naman is yung mga discounts kung kunwari in bulk, bumili si customer, or kunwari payable yung goods in 30 days, pero kung binayaran within 10 days, merong discount na 10% ganun to entice early payment. Another question, ang unearned revenue ba ay revenue account? Hindi. Hindi porket may revenue is revenue account. Ito ay under liability account. Nagbayad in advance si customer, pero like may payable tayo in terms of service. How about accrued revenue? Again, hindi siya revenue account. Ito ay parang receivable account natin. Nagbigay na tayo ng services or goods, pero hindi pa natin nasisingil si customer. Ito ang journal entries niya, baka malito kasi kayo. So, sa unearned income, upon receipt of cash, hindi natin nire-record agad yung related revenue doon. For example, pag na-receive yung cash, debit cash and credit unearned revenue or yung payable natin in terms of service. Then, once na na-render natin fully yung services or goods, i-debit natin yung unearned revenue to zero out yung na-record natin ng last. Then, tsaka magre-record ng income. So, for example, professional services, credit professional services, then yun na. Sa accrued revenue naman, kunwari na-render na natin yung professional services ng una, since accrual basis of accounting tayo, nare-record na natin yung professional services na income, pero yung accrued income na account, which is receivable, is dinidebit. Once nagbayad si customer, debit cash, then i-reverse yung accrued revenue. Hope that's clear. Yun lang. I hope you learned something about the different revenue accounts. See you!